Today we're on lesson 12, letter U, and the second sound of S. First we do our phonogram cards for review.
G.
G. Good.
G.
G. G. The sounds of G and C are two sounds that Bo has been working on in speech therapy for the last year. And he's just now getting to where he can say them, but he has to remember to say them. So he knows the sounds, he just doesn't always remember to say them. Okay.
I, E.
Good.
H.
Good. Good.
U.
Good. You got all those. Hey, and we're just going to review our leap words today.
A.
This is you're actually used in a sentence. This is a leap word. Good.
Of. The.
Good. Okay, we have two new sounds today. This letter says If you want, you can hold your hands like you're milking a cow. Can you milk a cow like that? Say udder.
Udder.
Cows have udders that you pull to get the milk out. Udder. And this, you already know that the letter S says, but it also makes another sound. Z. Z. Repeat after me. Z.
Z.
So it has two sounds. Okay, we're going to move to the board. Okay, I'm going to build the word. When S is at the end of a word, it sometimes says its first sound. Sit down. Thank you. It sometimes says its first sound, and sometimes it says its second sound. This word is us. So it says its first sound. If I put an I in front of it, it says
This.
is.
Is.
Do you hear that? Z. Good. So, what's this word again?
Us.
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 Us. And what's this word?
Is.
Is. Good. Okay. I'll sound out this first word for you, and then you'll sound out the next word, okay? Okay. Pop's home for lunch. Okay. Hut.
Hut.
Hut. Very good.
So for
Hey, now you get to sound out the next word.
Rub.
Rub. Good. Okay, now we're going to play Change the Word. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, what's the word?
Ham.
No.
Yam.
Sound it out.
Ha.
Hum.
Hum.
Good. How about that one?
Gam.
G.
Gum.
Gum.
Gum. Gum.
Good.
You gum. Give me gum.
I'll give you a piece of gum after you're done. Okay, what's that one?
Gun.
Good.
Bun.
Good.
Sun.
Yep.
Run.
Mm-hmm.
Rod.
Quit playing with the drawers.
Rod.
Rub.
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 Rig. Rug.
Good.
Rug.
Rug. Okay.
Dig.
No. D.
Dog.
Good. Da.
Dig. Dog.
Da.
Dug.
Dug. Good.
Dug.
Dug. Dog. Dug a hole.
Tag.
Uh.
Tag.
T. Good.
Tag.
T. T. Good.
Tug.
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 Like a tugboat.
Tug. Tug.
Okay,
Tug.
this
Tug.
one should, you should get this one then. Last one. What does that word say?
Bag.
B.
Bug.
Good.
Bug.
Bug. Good. The next, hold on, we have one more. Play it, change the word. The next one uses the second sound of S, which is, remember? Z.
Is.
Right? Now what's that word?
His.
Good. And then we're going to do this one.
Has.
Has. Good. Now?
As.
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 Good job. Okay, now go get your notebook. We're going to play bingo.
Bingo.
Okay, you can use the mints for your markers. Okay,
I
I'll
can
call
help
out.
you.
If you get 3 in a row, you get a bingo. And then we'll play blackout. Okay,
I forget how you play.
I call the letter and you mark it. Good. Ah. It's our new word letter for our new one for today.
Come on.
Here's our card.
Don't give me the helps.
Okay, I'm giving you more help.
I knew it.
Okay, good. All right. What?
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh, you have 2 bingos. You're supposed to call bingo. Okay, we'll play blackout. Good.
I know.
What was the last sound? I didn't even call it. What was it?
I.
What
is
is
I E.
Eh. Right. Eh.
Yeah, all these.
Okay, turn the page. We get to play again.
All these. Bingo.
Okay.
What else, Mom?
Okay, sorry. Eh.
It.
What? Oh.
Oh. Bingo.
Bingo. Good job. Let's finish playing. Okay. Good job.
It's trouble.
Okay. So let's do our word cards and then we're going to take a break because Pop's home for lunch. So let's do our word cards real quick and then we'll come back for our fluency sheets after lunch. Okay.
Can I seriously
Ready?
get all of them?
Well, you were supposed to get one for each time you won, technically. So you get.
But I
you
got
three.
two.
You got a blackout, and yeah, that's fine. Let's read these words real quick, then we'll have lunch. Okay.
Gam.
Gum.
Gum.
Good.
Us.
That's good.
Up. Sun. Run. Ride. Hug.
Good.
Mug.
Mud.
Mud. This
Is.
is
Is.